How to fix ChatGPT Something Went Wrong. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So on ChatGPT, if you keep getting the error that says an error occurred, if this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.openai.com. Then I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix this error. Now the first and the most simple thing you can do here is refresh your page. So go ahead and refresh your page, and once you do, you will find that this issue has been fixed. But if you keep on receiving this error after each time, meaning that if you refreshed, it works, and again if you ask something and then it gives you the same error and you're stuck in the loop of this error, then in that case you want to switch between your tabs. So you simply want to copy this link, then tap on these three dots and tap on New Incognito tab. Then you simply want to paste this link and now open this in a private browser or in incognito browser, and from here you can log into your account and you will see that this error will not occur anymore. But if you keep on getting this error, then you might want to switch your browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can switch to Safari, or if you're using Safari, then you can switch to Google Chrome. And if that doesn't work, then you can simply open this in the Safari's private browser as well. So these are some of the ways on how you can fix this issue, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.